Are you tired of searching for that special someone, only to end up disappointed? What if I told you there are proven techniques that can help you attract your true soulmate into your life? Have you ever wished you could bring your dreams to life faster? There's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you do just that. A vision board is your personal blueprint for manifesting your dreams. Here's how to create one. Set clear goals. Start by identifying what you truly want. It could be anything from career success to personal growth or even your dream home. Gather materials. Collect magazines, print out images, and find inspiring quotes that align with your goals. Make sure these visuals evoke strong emotions in you. Create your board. Arrange your images, quotes, and symbols on a board in a way that feels right to you. There's no wrong way. Just make sure it's a true reflection of your desires. Place it somewhere visible. Put your vision board where you'll see it daily, like your bedroom or workspace. This constant exposure keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind. Visualize daily. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself living the life depicted on your board. Feel the emotions as if it's already happening. This process aligns your subconscious mind with your desires, making it easier to attract opportunities and take actions that lead you toward your goals. Ready to start manifesting your dreams? Create your vision board today and watch how your life begins to change. And click the link in the description for an easy-to-use vision board tool.